Here's a close-up look at the 2019 Triumph Speed Twin, brand new motorcycle for 2019 from Triumph, out here in this undisclosed location in the desert. I found a bunch of them. So let's take a look around. It's got that classic look that you've gotten used to with the Bonneville, but this is a 1200cc engine with 97 horsepower and 84 foot-pounds of torque. Double Brembo brakes up front, pretty fork gators on the forks. There's a 1200cc mill in the middle. Modern exhaust mufflers, but overall still retaining that classic look. Looks like it's a little more comfortable to ride than the Thruxton. The handlebars are higher and the foot pegs are lower. So for an old guy that doesn't want to get into weird positions, it's perfect. And there's a good look at that big 1200cc engine. So they finally are making a Bonneville looking bike that's got some kick to it, which is awesome. And there's your round headlight, your fork gators, all of the classic looks that you've come to expect from Triumph motorcycles, also available in black. I think it actually looks better in black than with the red tank. And there's your rider control cockpit. You get traction control and ABS and all kinds of modern stuff on this, and they say it handles great as well. So good job, Triumph. Thanks for showing me your bikes. Wonder if I kick this one, if I can get them all to real life dominoes.